And you think it is funny? We are not a garbage crap. 3 dustbins. I looked at that video several times. And I honestly want to thank security officer. That guy should be rewarded. For one, keeping life. Keeping life. Property can be restored. Binebi tutubizawa mamoto kabagazawo. Obulamu tebuzikawo. You put yourself on a mass of a security guard. And you have the guts to come here. You tell us who is wrong, who is right in your funny, lousy head. We should do better. Don't start blaming people. Bino bobo wine tabirimu. Towa iliza bobo wine. Towa iliza bobo wine tabiri na mubino. Sajatu alimagere yebas. It's failure. Failure. To no one, you have enemies. 2, they are lowering you into a trap. And when you don't really get that in your head, I wish you the best. In the one, and I will still come here and tell you what you don't want to say. I've lost friends, I've lost people, I've lost relatives. Mukobyo muzanyo gwamwe. In the disguise of looking shares, munonya shares, munonya talkability, which is not fun at all. Allien skin in a Bajjo, mukomewe tubagala, mudeku galaxy mwevume. Allien skin in a Bajjo, mwemutuyambe chituchimu. You go to radio program, abuse each other. It is the last time we are seeing destruction of property and the use of firearms. Video yeri mwama sasi. Video yeri mwama sasi. Se erifane yo. Erifane. Umanyi memories zigwe zo tujukiza. Aba muwe tuwa wa musirikale nga kuba masasi. Tujukiria o isima. We start crying. Bolo za music agenda kuzango ofudde. Kasi ya mukubye sasi. Emyezi naje bamusiba. N'obutamusiba. Nze naona basetulite basa abantu teri abasibi. Babakyusa twansifa. Kaine twabanga we bukola obo sarcastic videos obo wekisiru because you want to get shares and views. In a video that's not fun at all. Gwa video chimunsi yonaje wali olabye erimo kuba amasasi ngeri fun. It means there is a serious problem. Waliwo ekizibu eky'amaanyi. So I greatly want to thank that security guard for using a lot of professionalism and patience. Want to protect property and life. To protect property and life, which is a fundamental pillar of security. In any country,